This is the one to be seen in. Premium Luxury Collection sale prices reflect CTS all accruable rebates and are subject to changes without notice in according with GM programs. Rebates are in lieu of interest rates. All vehicles subject to a documentary fee up to $150. Rear-wheel drive, traction control, electronic stability control, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season, aluminum wheels, power steering, 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, fog lamps, daytime running lights, privacy glass, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, power liftgate, power driver seat, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, second row bench seat, front floor mats, rear floor mats, adjustable steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel controls, power windows, power door locks, rear parking aid, telematics, navigation from telematics, cruise control, keyless entry, alarm, vehicle anti-theft system, climate control, dual-zone ARP carrot, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo, CD player, premium sound system, satellite radio, electrochromic rear-view mirror, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, driver illuminated vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, interior cargo shade, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side head airbag, rear head airbag, child safety locks.